case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a potentially landmark case, the Alaska Supreme Court weighed in on the thorny issue of manufacturer liability, where direct contract doesn't exist. The case revolved around the Morrows, who, after experiencing multiple defects with a mobile home they purchased, decided to sue the retailer, Golden Heart Mobile Homes, and the manufacturer, New Moon Homes, Inc., despite no contractual relationship with the latter. Faced with malfunction issues, the Morrows initially filed a lawsuit against both companies, alleging them for breach of implied warranties of merchantability and fitness. New Moon Homes, however, escaped the claim, as the Superior Court dismissed the case on grounds of lack of jurisdiction and privity of contract. Unfazed, the Morrows appealed the decision, and that's when the tables started to turn. Examining the application of the Uniform Commercial Code, UCC, to the distribution of mobile homes, the Alaska Supreme Court opined that New Moon was indeed a merchant. More so, they held that per the UCC, the Morrows were entitled to hold New Moon liable, despite there being no direct contract between them. The court went further, drawing comparisons to reasons for imposing strict liability on manufacturers in product liability cases. Scrutiny also fell on the trial judge's failure to provide written findings of fact, an oversight viewed as a mistake requiring a new trial if the dismissal for lack of jurisdiction was also wrong. The court eventually agreed that personal jurisdiction was warranted and ordered a retrial, making it clear that both consumers and manufacturers have obligations under the UCC. In what could be seen as a victory for consumers, the court reminded manufacturers that they could be held liable for defects in their products, regardless of direct contractual ties with the purchaser. Putting the onus back on the consumer, the court emphasized the need for giving notice of breach of warranty and diligently filing the warranty action within the statute of limitations. With this decision, the Alaska Supreme Court reaffirmed that the burden of proof for establishing personal jurisdiction rests with the plaintiff, signaling a potential shift in consumer rights and responsibilities. Now attention turns to the retrial, with the court's findings acting as a clarion call for consumers to understand their rights under the UCC, and for manufacturers to recognize their legal obligations, even in the absence of direct contractual relationships.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.